In effect on this Wednesday afternoon, and now we have a better idea as to why the Block Island Ferry has been canceled for today as we take a look at Narragansett Town Beach behind us. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to be in a boat right now out in those waves.
A lot of ups and downs out there on the ocean. Winds are gusting 20, 25 miles an hour already out there, and it's only going to get worse, especially down near the south coast. And we've got some rain around as well. You can see on the radar, a bit of a lull coming on through South County, but it's quickly followed by some more rain showers, kind of broadening out. You can see this batch of heavier rain kind of gathering down across New Jersey, south of Long Island, even a couple thunderstorms in there. This will all be coming on through as we go through the late afternoon. And it's going to be around for a good portion of the night. Narragansett, yeah, you can see these big waves down here, but not much in the way of rain at the moment down in Narragansett. But in New Bedford, we've got a light rain, lots of clouds around, so our threat tracker for the afternoon elevated because of the heavier rain and the winds that'll be coming on through. And tonight especially, that's when we're looking at some of the heavier rain. Anywhere between, I'd say, 5 p.m. right through 3 a.m. we could be looking at some periods of heavy rain. Total rainfall, an inch or two, easterly gusts to 60 miles an hour, strongest down near the south coast. Tomorrow, we're going to have to watch the rivers closely. An inch or two of rain certainly going to force them to go back into a minor flood stage at least. Looking at gusts, 60 miles an hour at the south coast, 50 farther inland where there's a high wind warning. Some power outages are certainly possible as we go through the late afternoon, especially during the evening. Upper 30s, low 40s as far as temperatures right now. The winds are already gusting 20, maybe 30 miles an hour out toward Block Island. The winds will be picking up as we go through the late afternoon. Another warning for you, or at least a watch, coastal flood watch in effect for around Narragansett Bay, Buzzards Bay, south coast of Rhode Island. Around the high tide tomorrow morning, 4 to 5 a.m. there could be some coastal flooding. Some coastal roads could become inundated. So something to keep in mind for early tomorrow morning. So we got all this rain associated with this area of low pressure down in here, and that's going to be passing right on off to our south as we go through the next 12 to 18 hours or so. So we'll have some batches of rain still coming on through in the afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. It's still raining, but notice this batch of heavy rain bursting on through the area. Winds will really be picking up late afternoon as this area of low pressure gets a little closer. Rain heavy at times as we go through the evening and overnight. This is 3 a.m. Heaviest of the rain beginning to work its way away from us, but we'll have some lighter precipitation on the backside of that low. It'll be cold enough, maybe some wet snowflakes around as we go through the daytime tomorrow. And on Friday, looking at a lot of clouds around, might be a glimmer of sun, but also the chance for a couple of isolated showers. Forecast for today, temperatures chilly in the low to mid 40s with the winds really picking up, maybe gusting to 45 as we go through the afternoon. Then those 60 mile an hour gusts are possible as we get into the evening hours. Heavy rain, kind of windy and kind of stormy as we go through the evening. Overnight low temperatures late in the night down to 37. By tomorrow morning, the precipitation should be lighter, but we could find some wet snowflakes mixing in through the day tomorrow. And still kind of windy in the morning tomorrow. Winds ease in the afternoon. Isolated shower Friday. On Saturday, we're looking at the chance for some more rain showers to kind of pass on through. Sunday's dry. Look at Eclipse Day Monday, 60 degrees with sunshine, some high clouds around. Right now, looking A-OK.
All right, just got to get through the next couple of days. Thank you, TJ. New tonight, coming up on 12 News starting at 4. Governor Dan McKee saying he jumped the gun on a date for an important bridge report. So 12 News asking him how soon we can expect those results. Then coming up at 5 after the Baltimore bridge collapse, will there be an impact on car shipments at Quonset Point? We're taking a look. And then at 6, Target 12 digging further into the next steps after ripped ahead. And former Warwick Mayor Scott Avedisian faces a misdemeanor charge in a drive-through incident. Join us for the coverage you can count on tonight starting on 12 News at 4 o'clock. Still ahead at noon, revolutionary